It was formed in 1989 by two global pharma executives who could see a gap in the market for an engineering company that better understood the goals of its clients. Integrated Project Services, IPS, was founded then on a practical experience of the businesses it would serve. But today there is an even greater emphasis on knowledge driving the company forward.
IPS is a global service provider for pharmaceutical and biotechnology sectors. We provide consulting, engineering, compliance, and construction management services to our clients. Initially, IPS was built around executing projects. We decided to change the direction of the company. We strategized and decided to become a knowledge leader in our industry, and we acted on it. So IPS sets itself apart from our competitors by having the best subject matter experts that anybody can have in the industry. So that's number one. And number two, our passion and commitment to our clients and to service our clients is extraordinary. And also, we provide cost-effective business solutions to our clients, not projects. Pharmaceutical and biotechnology sector has basically three types of clients. One we call big pharma, the giants, who are global multinational companies. Then there are generic manufacturers, and then third one will be contract manufacturers. And we service all three of them.
Today, IPS has a turnover of 100 million US dollars and employs more than 700 people from offices here in Pennsylvania and across the United States, together with a large presence in India. In simple terms, it provides everything necessary for clients to develop and manufacture drugs successfully. For example, a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. Support and flexibility is offered at every stage through the firm's own in-house capabilities.
All of our clients have a lot of expertise within their facilities. They know how to make products. We need to have the same level of expertise on our side of the business, so we have subject matter experts in various areas of, or various segments of the industry. So if a client has a particular need for isolation technology, we have that resource that can speak to our client at their level and truly understand how the system works and how we can help them. We really take the time to understand what the client objectives are on a project, and we focus on that.
That's what you're working on now.
The company's investment in recruiting highly sought-after subject matter experts was part of a deliberate strategy to respond to a soft economy by elevating its profile. It's invested too in emerging countries, establishing strategic partnerships to realise projects internationally. This direction has paid off, with the business currently enjoying a year-on-year increase of around 20% in its turnover, and recognition from the industry for its achievements.
About half of our staff is former pharmaceutical manufacturing folks. So we have a philosophy that we don't build buildings, we help make product. And so from that standpoint, we think like a client and come to designs and solutions much quicker from that standpoint.
There are challenges, of course, customers seeking leaner business models and cost pressures in the call for better yet lower priced drugs, despite high levels of investment for research and development. IPS must keep across complex production processes for drug manufacturing and up to date with the legislation of a highly regulated industry.
Unfortunately, there is not harmonization in the industry, and so IPS has spent a tremendous amount of time, brought in a number of experts. We've analyzed it, sat down with the regulators, heads of FDA, folks from the EU, and we've come up with systems that will match all the guidance and lower the risk to the owners.
With its management team fully aligned in a commitment to expertise, IPS has specialised in areas such as sterile advanced aseptic manufacturing, biotechnology and containment oral dosage. Industry executives view this as a key differentiator in working with the company.
Pharmalucents is a small pharmaceutical company specializing in radiopharmaceutical production and marketing. We made the selection of IPS. What really worked for us was the fact that this company has really, I think, made their reputation through technical expertise, through being at the forefront of a movement in drug production, understanding the global regulatory environments and how that evolves and the compliance bars are rising. I think that pretty much does summarize what knowledge means in our industry.
We have a partnership with IPS. They conduct floor tours at Interfex, and they showcase their intellectual capital with the equipment suppliers on the show floor. I think it's more than just knowledge. I think it's their ability to communicate what they know. I think that's another reason why they're successful. They're able to communicate and then deliver on the promises that they have for their customers.
With greater demand for drugs from an aging population and a growing affluent middle class in the emerging countries in which it's doing business, IPS is optimistic about the future, confident that it's what you know that truly sets you apart.
When we come and I meet all these great subject matter experts, technical experts who are, really well recognized and very knowledgeable, to talk to them and learn every day. It's just thrilling.